How can you optimize your chocolate formula without losing its original flavor? How can you keep dairy sensation in modified milk? Improve your ice cream recipe or your dairy beverages formulation? Answer is simple. Variolac, our whey permeate. Whey permeate is a valuable dairy solid on the market. Important enough to have its own Codex standard. It is 100% dairy product. Milk arrives from the field to the factory, where cheese is produced. We obtain whey from cheese, a dairy process from end to end. For every 100 liters of milk, 10 kilograms of cheese and 90 liters of whey are obtained. Out of those 90 liters of whey, 85 is water and only 5 are dairy solids, which are 1 kilogram of minerals, 3.5 of lactose, and 0.5 of protein. At Arla Foods Ingredients, we foresaw the application of permeate more than 40 years ago. Since then, we've kept on innovating, developing a permeate with constant quality control. Our low-temperature process reduces microbiological contamination risks, allows correct maturation and lactose crystallization, and ensures controlled evaporation during double drying. All this avoids caking and browning effect. Our permeate is versatile and reliable, made according to the maximum quality standards. Therefore, when asking yourself how to optimize your formulas for chocolate, bakery products, ice cream, or dairy drinks and modified milk, just get the right answer. Variolac, our whey permeate.